Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this stylized flash effect in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara, and I took a reference from Fortnite. This is not exactly the same effect, but I just took the reference and I created what comes in my mind. So I have this Unreal Engine 5 empty project, and first I need a texture, so I will create that in Photoshop, a flash texture, 1K size. And to create the shape there can be different ways, but I'll use pen tool for now. So I'll make it black and I want the center, so I can just make a white dot here, control H, so this is my center. And on a new layer I will use the pen tool and maybe like this. It's very random thing, so you can create whichever shape you like. You can take some reference or flash from internet, then you can try. That will be good actually to take a reference.